Hello YouTube, we are back with another unboxing video of Dr. Physio Body Massager 1021 product. We will be discussing its features and review after 1 week uses. Let's unbox it. What's inside the box? Let's find it out. What we are getting inside the box. That is basically we have user manual by Dr. Physio Body Massager 1021 product. You can see there is content over here, introduction, working principle, everything is written over this manual. You can go through it for your operation in uses. And we have also provided with a 6-month warranty card. We can avail this warranty by going through their website. The warranty is for 6 months only, and let's see the product how it is. I think this is the main part. Here we have a body massager and 4 heads are given, 3 and 1 attached to it, and let's see how it works. Let me plug it in. Yeah, I think it's good. It can really help in, like, if you are having some pain, or like you are after workout you want to massage yourself, then it is convenient. You can go for it. It also features like this IR light. I don't know what benefit of these red lights, but it feels good on body. We can also use different heads for different body purposes, and we can also use this net mesh and use this. Yeah, it's good. Let's go with some other heads. Yeah, the product is good. Definitely you should go for it if you are searching for any kind of massager or anything, and your grandmother or your mother is suffering from some kind of pain or need a massager, then this is a good buy. Rupees 1000. I got it on Flipkart at offer price of 999.